Hello, 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 everybody, and welcome back to another ARTlapse. On this week's ARTlapse, we'll be going over another tarot card in my tarot card painting series based on my webcomic Magic Hats. Now, if you aren't reading Magic Hats, you best come over and check it out, honey. Magic Hats, simply put, is about magic, cats, and friendship. And if any of those things interest you, then you better start reading. Lavender Lovecraft is a young human witch studying under a kooky, crazy cat, Cinny Winnie, in the cat kingdom known as Grimalkin Woods. Follow their adventures as they discover the secrets of the land of Cha, the mystery behind Mojo Runevale, the beliefs towards magic use which separates the kingdoms, all while trying to escape the clutches of eternal night. And we just reached page 60, so there's a lot to catch up on. I mean, book 1 is gonna be complete soon, and I'm gonna have to start hustling and start working on book 2, honey. There's a Kickstarter in the works where I wanna launch a bunch of different products, or a whole line of products based in the world of Magic Hats, including this tarot card deck. So let's get into it. Today we are painting specifically out of the Major Arcana deck, the High Priestess. And the High Priestess is a card of intuition. She's a mystical, powerful, beautiful, spiritual, mysterious, intuitive priestess. And who better to fit this persona than the elusive, the mysterious, the cranky, bossy swamp potion witch known as Mossy, who secretly has a heart of gold, but I shouldn't say she. They identify as non-binary, and within a world that is very limiting and dualistic through a binary system, they identify simply as moss because they are much more than female or male. They are the moss. So, Moss is this mysterious, almost godlike creature, this spirit of Grimalkin Woods. They have been there since day one. They have lived longer than any other cat, where they are now of legendary status. They have seen a lot, and they know a lot. So through this scroll, that's why I felt they represented the High Priestess, because they are all powerful, all knowing, elusive, secretive, and mysterious, intuitive. And I'm super excited because Moss will be making their debut in book 2. So that's why I'm telling you all, you guys gotta get caught up, get in the know, because things are ramping up in Magic Hats. Things are about to get serious. My major plot line is about to get going, really going. And you're not going to want to miss it. So Moss wears this like giant hat because I felt like it best represented their personality, where they're larger than life, or at least that's how they see themselves, even though they're like this tiny fluff ball with tiny feet and tiny boots. So I really wanted them to have this like larger than life hat where they kind of see themselves above everybody else, and with good reason, you know, they've seen some things. So I really wanted just like this comical contrast between them and their hat, this giant moss hat. And there you have it. There's Moss sitting on a moon with their secretive scroll, and they're elusive, they're secret, they're mysterious. What are they hiding? What do they know? I don't know. Mysterious realness. So go ahead and go to www.magiccatscomic.com to start reading along now. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, honey, so you are sure not to miss any of my content. And remember, you are magical, so shine on.